Here's a clear, step-by-step guide to the dumbbell. Curtsy Lunge pulses, plus arm curl with mini. Band above knees, no visuals. Just simple instructions you can follow. How to do the exercise. Set up. 1. Place a mini resistance band just above your knees. 2. Hold a dumbbell in each hand, arms down at your sides. 3. Stand tall, feet hip width apart, core engaged, chest lifted. Movement, step by step. 1. Step back into a curtsy lunge. Move your right foot diagonally behind your left leg. Keep your front left knee aligned with your toes. Slight forward lean to engage glutes more. 2. Lower into the lunge. Drop your hips until your front thigh is nearly parallel to the floor. Then add pulses, small movements. Stay low and perform 2-4 small up and down pulses. Keep tension on the mini band by gently pushing knees outward. 4. Add the arm curl. While holding the lunge, perform a bicep curl, curl dumbbells toward shoulders. Lower the weights with control. 5. Return to start. Push through your front heel to stand back up. 6. Repeat on the other side. Muscles working. Lower body, primary focus. Gluteus medius, side glutes, helps create that hourglass hip shape. Gluteus maximus, main glute muscle for power and shape. Quadriceps, front thighs. Inner thighs, adductors, especially active in curtsy motion. Upper body, biceps, during the curl. Forearms, grip and control. Stabilizers. Core, abs and obliques, balance and control. Hip stabilizers, enhanced by the mini band. Benefits of this exercise. 1. Builds rounder, wider glutes. Curtsy angle plus band tension targets side glutes more than regular lunges. 2. Increases muscle time under tension. Pulses keep muscles working longer. Better toning and growth. 3. Trains upper plus lower body together. Combines legs plus arms. Efficient full body movement. 4. Improves balance and stability. Single leg pattern challenges coordination and control. 5. Activates hip abductors. Mini band forces knees outward, stronger hips and better shape. 6. Boosts calorie burn. Compound movement, more muscles working at once. Form tips, very important. Keep your front knee tracking over toes, don't let it cave in. Push slightly outward against the band. Keep your core tight to avoid wobbling. Move slow and controlled, especially during pulses. Focus weight on your front heel, not toes. Optional variations, no weights. Beginner friendly. Add overhead press instead of curl, more shoulders. Increase pulse count, more glute burn. Slow tempo, maximize muscle activation. Thanks for watching.